How to sign up or create account on Bitstamp. If you want to create an account on Bitstamp, it is rather quite very simple for us to do so. For this, what we have to do is we have to go ahead and then first of all launch the Bitstamp application. Now there you can see the option that says create account. So you have to just tap on the create account button. It will ask you to simply choose your country of residence. So let me go ahead and then just type in my country of residence that you should be able to find right there. Once done, tap the continue button. Now simply choose the first name that you want. Then after that, type in your last name. After that, type in the email address you'd like to use or register along with your Bitstamp account. Then simply choose your date of birth and make sure that this is actually a legal date of birth. So because later on you might need to verify along with your documents, you want to make sure that it is a legal date of birth and not a fake one, right? So just go ahead and select that. Once I've done that, then I can tap the done button. Now once I do, I can agree to the terms and conditions. Then I can tap on the continue button from here. It'll ask me to verify the CAPTCHA. So if it asks you to verify the CAPTCHA as well, go ahead and then check that box. Once you've done verifying, it will say we've sent you an email. So we will simply open up our email to check if we've received any sort of email from Bitstamp. You can see I have received a confirmation email, so I can just tap on it. Then I can scroll down and select the option or a button that says confirm email. And once done, it will ask me to create a password. And finally, once you've confirmed your password, you tap on continue, your account has been successfully created. This way you can create a Bitstamp account. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.